Hey you guys, today we are demonstrating the Lovers Collection. Here is what you get. The Lovers palette, which has 5 loose mineral eyeshadows, the exclusive Sweet Tart blush, and strawberries and cream lipstick. But first, we need to do our flawless face. That's better. Now, let's get it. We're starting with Lover. Using our blending brush, we are just going to apply this all over our lid. Look at that beautiful shimmer. Next, we're taking Sweet Kisses, and we are going to apply this right above our crease. Just like that. Using the smudger brush, we're gonna take Love Struck. We're gonna follow our crease right on the crease line. Just like that. Now using a crease brush, we're gonna take Harmony. We're gonna go right on the outer corner of our eye, patting that in to add just a little dimension to our eye look. Also going to bring that a little into that crease there, just to darken it up just ever so slightly. Using my overshadow brush, we're going to take Endless. We're going to come into the inner crease, the inner lid here, and add that beautiful white shimmer shade, bringing it up to the darker shade that we just added. By tapping in, you're going to blend this Endless color into that darker shade. You really want that shade to pop. Wet your brush first and then just go back on top, patting, and it will really define that white shade for you. I just go back in with my blending brush, make sure everything is nice and blended. Now using my liner brush, I'm going to take Harmony. We're going to go right underneath my eye and press this shade in. Using Sweet Kisses and my smudger brush, I'm just going to come right underneath that shade and add that beautiful pink color. Time for the blush. I'm going to show you guys how to use the blush. This is super pigmented, so you only need a very small amount. So what I do is I tap a little bit into my lid here, just a very small amount, tap my brush in, tap some of that shade off. This will last you about 2 years, guys. You only need a small amount. I come right underneath the corner of my eye, find my bone, and then I tap, 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 tap that color in, and then start to blend it out towards my hairline. I'm blending it into my bronzer that I did earlier from my Flawless Face. Time for Strawberries and Cream. This is a beautiful pink, so let's see how it looks on. Oh, super moisturizing. I love the pigmentation and the color. It is so pretty. But now we need to finish the other eye. And there you go. What do you think of this look? I think it's gorgeous. Oh, wait a minute. We're missing something. The gorgeous Christina lashes. Now our look is complete. I love this look. It's so fun. It's so light. I will be doing other looks with this palette the month of February. I hope you enjoyed it. If you decide to get this same February collection and recreate this look or create one of your own, post a picture using the hashtag #LoverLookChallenge to get entered into a $50 no filter gift card giveaway. Thanks for watching this tutorial. Make sure you like and share, and I'll see you next time. Much love to you. Mwah.